Runner and Gate Improvements. In ZW3D 2020, with the improved runner and gate commands, you can create the runner and gates quickly and intuitively. Take a look at the new runner command. Input the original point. The preview will be displayed. Now, ZW3D provides two preset runners to choose, S-type and Z-type. Modify the parameters. The preview will be updated simultaneously. Here we create the runner with a sketch. Pick the sketch and the face. Define the projection direction. Define the shape of the runner. Create the runner with pocket. Done. Next, it is the gate command. Pick the locating surface and point. Define the direction. Now, ZW3D offers 4 preset gates. All parameters will be displayed and can be modified. Generate the gates to the corresponding positions with mirror command. At last, create a pocket. Check the final result. With the improved runner and gate commands, users can create the runner and gates quickly and intuitively.